What's up, guys? It's another day of our company logos redesigning series, and today on our table we have this YouTube music logo. So we're going to redesign this one inside Adobe Illustrator program here in this video. So we don't have to waste time for this one. We just have to create it. So let's go and see. So first of all, inside Adobe Illustrator program, I want to draw the circle, which is the base shape of our YouTube music logo. So in the tools bar, I'm going to select the ellipse tool and holding shift and alt, I want to draw a perfect circle just like this one. I don't need stroke for this one, so I'm going to remove the strokes and I want to give it the red color. So I'll select here the red color just like that one, and let us put it at the very center of our artboard just like that one. And now I'm going to hit Ctrl C and Ctrl F to copy and paste this same circle in front. Ctrl C and Ctrl F. As you can see now in the list, we have made the copy of the same ellipse in front of the first one. So I'm going to drag the upper one to make it smaller in order to make now the inner white layer of our YouTube music logo. So I'm going to hit Shift and Alt again and drag it perfect in order to make a perfect inner circle just like that one. For this one, I need a stroke, a white stroke, and I want to make this stroke maybe to 10 points. It's gonna be good. We need to make now the play button at the center of our YouTube music logo. So for this one, we're going to use the polygon tool. So again, in our tools bar, I'm going to select now the polygon tool, and before clicking here, I want to first left click in order to open the dialog box and to select the number of sides that I need in our polygon. So I left click first. I need 3 sides because I need the triangle to be used as our play button. So I'm going to light here 3 and just click OK. As you can see now, boom, we have this one triangle, and we need to rotate it as how it looks in the YouTube music logo. So holding shift, I rotated it perfectly just like this one. First of all, let us remove the stroke for this one and give it the white color just like that one. Back to the selection tool, and I want now to adjust the size here. So holding alt and shift, try to adjust size little bit. As you can see, it looks good. It looks as how it is in the YouTube music logo. Let us try to light here down YT music is how it looks in the devices. So in the tools bar again, I'm going to select now the text tool, and I want to write here YT music. Okay, let us put it at the center just like this one. Looks good, looks okay. So as you can see now, we are done making this YouTube music logo inside Adobe Illustrator in just a few minutes. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and if it's like that, give me thumbs up, and if you're new in this YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button for more content. I'm creating weekly content every Thursday, so I hope to see you next Thursday. Keep creating, keep making stuffs, and most of all, have fun of it. See you next Thursday. Bless.